Moving and merging sections. Sections can be moved within its own heading, or moved to any other heading in the document. To rearrange a section, click the Section menu, and move the sections up or down accordingly. If document and section numbering is turned on, the system will automatically renumber all the sections. The second way to move a heading is to drag and drop it into position. Click the icon and drag the section to the new position in the document. This can either be in the same heading, or any other heading in the document. When the section is being dragged, a faint toolbar will appear so you know where to drop it. The section will then be moved. Sections can also be moved by dragging it to any heading in the outline tree. The next way to move a section is by merging it with another section in the document. This is drag and dropped exactly the same way as moving a section, however the faint toolbar will show merge instead of move. Finally, sections can be split to make new sections. To split a section, put the cursor above the content to split, and use either the quick link split icon, or click the split icon in the editing toolbar. This will split the content and create a new section.